Windows Virtual Desktop is changing the way virtual desktops are provided by delivering multi-session Windows 10 and remote desktop services directly from Azure. To take full advantage of Windows Virtual Desktop and ensure related IT operations are as efficient and cost-effective as possible, enterprise-ready support tooling is vital. Citrix extends the value of Windows Virtual Desktop with the industry-leading monitoring and troubleshooting console for app and desktop virtualization environments. Citrix Director provides everything a member of the help desk needs in under 5 clicks. When a user reports an incident, only with Citrix the admin can search for the user across all on-prem and cloud-based environments from a single search field. Once the right user session has been selected, all important data points are displayed in a simple-to-use interface. The admin can review the applications running within the session, understand the resource consumption of each process, and end processes that are not performing as expected. In an unoptimized Windows Virtual Desktop environment without Director, the admin would need to sign in to the virtual machine the user is connected to and open Windows Task Manager to achieve the same. This means for this particular use case, Director saves approximately 4 minutes, some complexity, and solves challenges around logon privileges for admins. Next, the admin can review the machine details with information ranging from WVD configuration to properties of the virtual machine itself. By default, this information is scattered across various locations of the Azure portal and RDS tooling, if available at all. Time savings here are around 5 minutes. If required, the admin can dive even deeper into the characteristics of the host to understand the current overall resource consumption, as well as what other users might be affected by a host-wide issue. Time savings here are approximately 2 minutes. To understand if the current resource consumption is an anomaly or not, it is simple to review the historical utilization of the system in detail. Back to the user session, the admin can review the session details, which includes details about the device of the user as well as the network connection. This saves approximately 2 minutes. An insight into what policies as well as what other security measures are applied to the session and might restrict certain functionality is visible further down. In an unoptimized WVD environment, admins would need to use command line tools for gathering this information. This saves a logon to the host and 5 minutes. Also, this panel makes it possible to send a message to the user, log the session off or disconnect this, and, if required for application-level troubleshooting, connect to user session. This one-click to shadow functionality saves about 5 minutes. If we scroll further down, detailed information about the user logon and session initiation phases are provided. In an unoptimized WVD environment, this information is not available. At the bottom of the page, the admin can review the status of the user profile and, if necessary, reset the profile to the default state, which is a common action taken if applications show unexpected behavior. This saves about 7 minutes and solves challenges around network share permissions for admins. Finally, the admin can review the status of the virtual channels of the HDX protocol. Each channel has a specific function and can impact the user experience if not working as expected. This information is not available with an unoptimized WVD. Now that all information has been reviewed, it might be time to connect back to the user who raised the incident to discuss further steps. With this button at the top, contact information as configured in Active Directory can be accessed. Potentially savings here are around 2 minutes. In an unoptimized Windows Virtual Desktop environment, the admin would have spent around 30 minutes and would have required 9 tools and consoles to gather approximately 60% of the information provided on this page alone. This means Citrix Director improves admin experience and productivity, simplifies troubleshooting in WVD environments, and helps achieving a higher first contact resolution rate as well as a lower time to resolution, which improves end-user experience and reduces downtime.